Hello, students.
Good afternoon, all of you. Sorry, good evening, right?
Yeah.
How was your
everyone.
paper? It was easy, na?
So yes, how was the paper? And what is your expectations?
Yeah.
So, how much?
are you all planning to, get? I'm sorry.
Huh?
No, nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you
Suhasar, please speak.
Hi everyone. How was the paper?
How
I
was the
hope
paper? Was it
everyone got
easy?
out of it right.
99 plus.
99 plus.
Yes, Krishu.
That's
Hello.
very nice.
Hi,
Hi.
Arya.
Hi.
Welcome.
Very easy.
Super.
Good.
Very easy, yeah.
95. Why 95? What about other 5 marks?
Suhasar just went out. Don't do this to Suhasar. He's
Yeah,
getting very shy.
Welcome, students.
You're welcome,
welcome.
Arya.
90 plus. Okay. Good.
90.
Good.
3142.
3142.
What's that?
What is that? No idea. Okay. 95 plus 80. If all the questions are correct, then 99.
Super.
That's nice. Very good. 98, Pranav. That's very nice. Good for you. So last minute revision helped. Oh, we are glad we could be of some
yeah.
help.
Yeah. It was
Yeah.
worth coming then.
Coming morning
Yeah.
early and teaching.
So
the
we
students.
barely slept for 3 or 4
3
hours, guys.
That's it.
And
Yeah.
we woke up at 4 o'clock
Oh,
and,
yeah.
I
Reached
picked
here,
math and we just came off.
I had to travel 10 kilometers.
10 kilometers
Early
in
morning.
Bengaluru traffic.
Yeah, only for you students we
Yeah.
are doing this, right?
Yeah, so we'll keep, we were discussing the same thing for social science. We're going to keep, sessions in the early morning, okay, from 6 to maybe 8 or 9, okay?
Yeah.
Mm.
Set number
Oh, set
31
number.
2 1. Okay, cool.
Let's see, we have bought here one set. We are going to solve that.
All right. So let's get started then, okay? Yeah, Kamli, you're very welcome. We are really
Welcome.
glad that we could be of some help.
Yeah,
Yeah.
welcome to everyone. Thank you. Oh, good. That's good to hear. Physics was super easy. Very good.
That's because of Neha, ma'am.
It's not, it's their effort. Yeah? Good, guys. Good. Yeah.
Oh, because of the last minute revision, you got 3 marks.
3
That's
marks.
very nice.
Yeah.
That's very nice. Okay, so what else? Did you get to copy or something? And Lalit was saying that there was, he was on fire during the exam. Okay, got it. I thought there was fire in the examination hall. And it's also very unfortunate in Bengaluru, there was a blast today, so I was in the same zone. Yeah.
You were in the same zone.
No. My
Oh,
mind
no.
was in the same zone. Chemistry was a piece of cake. That's very nice, Kamli. So finally, your
Yeah.
hard work paid off, right? So let's wait for the results. Oh,
8
Arya,
marks.
8 marks in physics. Neha.
Oh, from last minute. Oh my god, that's really good. Good. Keep it up. Yeah.
Very nice.
Only 2 numericals.
Hope class
Yeah.
11 too. Yeah. We are hoping to start the channel. Let's see about that. 2
Yes.
numericals, 1 for 2 marks and 3 marks.
It's
That's very
good to
nice.
hear that so many you have scored good marks and all. It's good to hear.
We'll do Maha Marathon. Definitely we'll do that. Unknown. Okay, what's your name? Unknown?
So for social.
Yeah, it's in Rameshwaram Cafe. It's very unfortunate, Tarun. Yes.
Paper discussion.
Very nice.
Good.
Nitin.
That's good to hear.
Paper discussion will start.
Yeah,
Paper discussion.
Start now.
Yeah. So we're just, asking you about your day. How is the paper? How is your mental health now? Because in morning everybody was like, I'm anxious. I'm going to fail and
Like
yeah.
you're getting scared.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start paper.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's discuss. Ma'am, no X and Y questions as they were not there. Chemistry was not more interesting, but still 25. Very nice. I attended right because of this channel and Vedantu Master Tamil. That's very nice.
Good.
Good. Hmm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. We are glad we could be of help. Unknown.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll do
Unknown.
more PYQs.
Unknown
Yeah.
person.
Unknown, we would like to call your name.
Because
What's
Yeah.
your name?
What's your name? Mention
Mention
it.
Yeah. Morning. We are now happy
Ma'am,
because of your
you
last
should promote and advertise this channel. Lots of
Yeah, please
students.
do that for us.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
Guru Dakshina. Do it.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, just spread the news.
Uh,
I was very scared.
Mm. So chemistry one shot.
Thank you, Arya.
Okay.
Or like
Gokul.
Gokul. It's Gokul. Okay. Let's get started then.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
All right. So we'll go one by one question by yes. First question, of course, it is chemistry. When 2 ml of zinc hydroxide solution is added to a few pieces of granulated zinc in a test tube and then warm, the reaction that occurs can be written in the form of balanced chemical equation. And also, guys, this is set number 1. Okay, this is set 1. See 3111. Okay, set 1. Yes. Now it's Subhas. So, what is the correct answer?
B. Option B, ma'am. We can easily guess by using balancing. We know, right? Na2ZnO2.
Yes.
O2. Here, like, just look here, student. H2 is there, na? That's why B. Very easy.
So, zinc
Hydrogen
is
gas is liberated.
hydrogen gas is liberated. Zinc is an amphoteric metal, so it is going to react with both acids as well as bases. Option B is the right answer. Next question.
Select from the following decomposition reaction in which source of energy for decomposition is light. Okay. In option A, ferrous sulfate is there, water molecule is there, AgBr, CaCO3. What is the answer, ma'am?
The answer is option C.
Very
Because first one thermal decomposition is going to happen, second one electrolytic decomposition is going to happen. AgBr is sensitive to light, so photolytic decomposition reaction is going to happen to form Ag and Br2. Calcium carbonate again, so this is thermolytic decomposition reaction. Okay,
Yes.
we'll discuss set 3 later on.
Next question. A metal and a non-metal that exist in liquid state at the room temperature or respectively. First metal is there. Okay, here bromine and mercury is there. Mercury and iodine. Iodine is not it is a non-metal. It is lustrous in nature, right, students? Mercury and bromine. That's why the answer is option C.
Yes, option C is the right answer.
Right answer.
Next, carbon compounds. Carbon compounds are good conductors of electricity, are bad conductors of electricity, have strong forces of attraction between their molecules, have weak forces of attraction between their molecules. So we know that carbon is going to share electrons, so it is going to form.
They want us also to guess.
Oh,
Other teachers.
It's okay.
okay, all right
Join,
then.
join, join,
Neha
join.
ma'am, please come.
Yes. Please join.
Yeah.
Actually, Navya ma'am is answer, but I don't know about Neha ma'am. Neha ma'am is weak in chemistry.
What is that? What's question?
Carbon
Carbon
compounds.
compounds.
Okay, they are going to form covalent compounds.
Okay, strong. They are strong bonds or weak bonds?
They are weak.
Okay.
Hmm.
So have weak.
Yeah, that's one of the answers. And here easily there is elimination method here.
Yes, 4 is right means it is just see that direct.
Yeah, direct, yes.
Oh my god, that easy.
Option C is the
Yeah.
answer. Yes,
MCQ.
elimination method.
Paper is
That's
very
good.
easy. I mean, Malu,
Saw your one shot and got much help. Oh, that's very nice. Very
Malu,
nice.
Kolar district.
Kola district. That's very nice.
Maybe
We are
Arya is
glad.
Malur, maybe.
Arya, are you from Malur? Are you from Malur?
Please.
Screen is bright.
Yeah, they're
Yeah,
telling it's
that's-
blur. Someone saying it's blur and
You
someone
can't
Yeah.
change it.
yeah.
Even now?
If we zoom in,
Hey, yeah. Now it's clear. I
Now
think.
it's fine, I guess, right?
Yeah. Let me check.
yeah.
Just now you ate
ate
pani
pani
puri, so lion can't chat now. Touring me what?
I think
Lowering
lowering time. Lowering.
I don't know. I have no idea. Yeah. So next one. Consider the following compounds: ferrous sulfate, copper sulfate, calcium sulfate, and sodium carbonate. The compounds having maximum number of water of crystalline form in one molecule is dash. Which is that? Ma'am, would you like to try?
Okay. Maximum number of water crystallizing. One molecule.
Okay,
Is
right
it-
here. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll try to help you out.
Okay.
Ferrous sulfate,
Mm.
so it will have it's called green vitriol.
Okay.
It has 7 molecules of water of crystallization.
Okay.
Copper sulfate has 5 molecules of water of crystallization. This
Okay.
is called blue vitriol.
Okay.
Okay, this is green vitriol.
Huh.
And then we have calcium sulfate. So we have dihydrate as well as hemihydrate.
Okay.
Hemihydrate is plaster of Paris.
Okay.
Dihydrate is gypsum.
Okay.
Okay, and sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, it is also called soda ash. Just sodium carbonate is called soda ash. But with 10 molecules of water of crystallization, this is a detergent.
Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am,
for washing soda.
It is
So now you tell us that.
Ma'am, it is easy, but Neha ma'am, you never give any clue for Neha ma'am.
Yeah,
Why
we
you
give
give
the-
clue for Nabia ma'am?
I gave
Option A,
I
I feel.
gave one.
Option A.
No. See, having
Maximum number of water.
crystallization.
But it forms detergent, you said, right? Then it is option D. Then it's option D.
Option D.
Okay, in the future.
What? Young and energetic.
This is your physics master teacher,
Lalit sir.
Oh.
All right.
Okay, guys. Okay, if you want to use
You are
the
very talented.
if you want to use the dialogue, I'll give. Okay, no worries. Use wherever you want. Okay?
No copyright.
Yeah, no copyright. Not give any strike on the copyright. Okay.
Yes.
All
Let's
right.
move for the next question.
So oxides of aluminium and zinc are, ma'am.
My time.
Oxides of aluminium and zinc are.
Okay, I give some clue for
Oxides
Neha.
of aluminium and
Ma'am,
zinc.
it's
Okay.
never neutral, but maybe A, B, C.
Wow.
One clue.
What
right?
kind of clue it is?
Okay, I'll give you another clue. Aluminium and zinc can react with both acids as well as bases.
Base. But they form oxides with acid.
Both.
Both.
Both are the answer. Then what is the right?
What
It
is
is
the
there.
answer? Not neutral.
Already I
No.
Option C. Then.
Oxides of aluminium and zinc are. They
Amphoteric
both react
in
with.
nature.
Okay.
acidic
Acids
base.
as well as bases.
Base.
So they are
Oh.
called amphoteric.
Amphoteric
Acidic.
means both acidic
Yes,
and basic.
yes.
Okay.
Oh, ratnallergy. Allergy. Okay. So it is allergic to ratna. That is ratnallergy. Yeah. Next.
came in MCQ. Super.
But you chose C. Alloys. Okay. So what was your pattern? I mean, the set
Paper,
number?
He
Paper
told
number,
set
Lalit?
3.
Was it set 3?
Ah.
So the process of getting allergic to ratna is known as ratnallergy. Eye sergeant, okay.
What is that?
Oh, even I didn't get that.
What
okay.
that means?
I'm shooting any gaming channel.
And Bio ma'am was a
watch you
scientist,
any
psycho. Also, Neha ma'am was a eye
Eye-
surgeon. Surgeon, you mean? Sergeant comes in army. Surgeon, doctor profession. What is it?
Maybe
Set 2. Okay,
he's
Lalit.
telling by
Set
us
two.
our teaching way will be
Okay,
that
it
way.
will be like that.
I
Okay.
copied proudly. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh.
Question number 7. Magnesium oxide is reacting with HCl to form magnesium chloride, water, and chlorine gas. Okay. So here you need to identify redox reaction, because in this case both oxidation and reduction happening simultaneously in this reaction. So they are asking us to identify what is undergoing what. MnO2 is oxidized and HCl is reduced. HCl is oxidized, MnO2 is reduced. MnO2 is reduced and HCl is oxidized. I'll give you one hint.
Is it
So-
option D?
Very nice. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
It is
Yes,
D.
option D
Option
is
D.
the right answer.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, option C is the right answer.
D.
D. Option D
Huh.
is the right answer.
This is 3111 set number.
Now
okay?
it's your time, ma'am. Ask the question too. So
Yeah,
Hassan.
no, see, even I guessed right. So,
Now answer.
hello, excuse me, come.
Okay.
Okay, so consider the following statement. See, the sex of the child is determined by what is inherited from mother. Second statement says the sex of the child is determined by what is inherited by father. And then the probability of having male child is more than that of female child. Statement 4 says the sex of the child is determined by at the time of fertilization when the male and female gamete fuses to form a zygote. It is very easy.
Fourth is correct, ma'am. Fourth is
Fourth,
correct.
okay, fourth is correct.
Uh,
There is one more statement which is correct.
give clue.
See, this,
Only one more is correct.
one more statement.
D is not correct. Right? D is
D
wrong.
is no, D is wrong.
Then
D is ruled
this
out.
one is also ruled out. This one is also
I
ruled
is-
out.
B
Maybe
or C?
B or C.
It is B.
Ma'am, I guess the sex of
Yeah.
child is determined by. Correct. B only. It
B.
is very easy.
Yeah.
How?
That why?
Why?
The
Why not
ma'am,
this?
probability is nothing but
Ah,
in mathematics, P of E is equal to N of E by N of S.
Okay.
The possible outcomes, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. But depends upon chromosome, XX chromosome, XY chromosome. It's not depend upon father, right? It's also depend upon mother. That's
no.
all.
Wrong.
It depends on father.
Depend.
50-50
It
possibility
is
is there.
50-50 because father has X and Y. So child can receive either X or Y. So option B is the right answer. Okay.
You're welcome, Nishram.
Yes, bio was super easy, right?
Good evening.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
That's good to hear.
Sinkostan.
Yeah. So next question. So chromosomes carry hereditary information from parent to the next generation. Okay. You know, right, within nucleus there is the thread-like structure that is called chromosome.
Only know that
What
much
is
about chromosome.
yeah, what is present within that?
RNA, DNA.
DNA.
I
Right.
know, deoxy,
So now they
right,
carry
okay, okay.
they carry hereditary information from parent. What is the function of DNA?
DNA, it
Ah.
carries the genetic
Ha.
information.
So what is first statement telling? Carry hereditary information from parent to next
yeah,
generation.
It's true.
Okay, what about next statement? The
That's
thread-like
true.
structure located inside the nucleus of animal cell.
True.
Huh?
Is it only animal cell?
No, plant
In
cell
plant
also.
cell
Oh,
also
yeah,
it is
yeah,
there.
yeah.
So this is wrong. Always exist in pair in human reproductive cells. Now this is also false.
False.
And then they are involved in the process of cell division.
Yeah,
True.
That is true. So 1 and 4 is correct. So
Yeah.
option D is the right answer.
As DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. I am also chemistry teacher, okay? It is chemistry also.
I don't know
DNA,
bio
RNA.
ma'am name. Navya.
NAVYA.
Yeah. You didn't know
Thank
my
you,
name,
thank you,
Krishu? Krishu, I identified in the morning also it was Ratna, no? I said it is Krishu. So he was like, Ma'am, you know me. But he doesn't know my name. Every day he will comment.
He know, but simply
Yeah. Okay.
It's just naughty.
Yeah.
That's it.
So next one. I told this, I was telling that, see, always when the electrical impulse is transmitted from one neuron to another neuron, first, when it is going to the other neuron, the electrical form is converted to chemical form. After reaching the new neuron, the next neuron cell, it is converted to electrical form. I told this n number of times, and let me see. I guess they are, because students know they get confused with the dendrite and a synapse. Anyway, in this option, synapse is not given. So they would have
Dendrites.
marked it is dendrite. See, in a nerve cell, the site where the electrical impulse is converted into the chemical signal is known as.
Dendrites.
No. That. I didn't read the question. Sorry, it is neuromuscular
Muscular
junction.
junction.
Yeah.
what is
Yeah.
the answer? C.
Yeah. C is the
RNA
right
full form
answer.
is ribonucleic acid, okay?
What?
You don't know,
Ask full form.
It is getting way out of hand now.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's
Let's
brightness. We
Okay,
cannot
next
reduce
one.
The screen brightness.
Questions are not clear.
They are
Okay.
still
Now the
getting
stomata
difficult
closes when? When does the stomata close, students?
questions
Tell
about-
me. See, it needs carbon dioxide when it requires carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, and it does not need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Water flow out of the guard cell, water flow into the guard cell. When does stomata gets closed? I told you, the guard cell, plays major role in regulating the opening and closing of stomata.
I guess it is option D.
Means carbon dioxide.
Option D, I guess.
It is, or 2 is correct.
Huh.
But in this 2 you should be, when the water
out of the guard
out
cell,
of the
okay,
guard
it
cell.
pushes out the transpiration happens.
No,
and it
the
closes.
guard cell, through osmosis only, it throws off the water.
Huh.
Then what happens? The cell will shrink. When it shrinks, the
Stomata
stomata will
closes.
get closed. Okay.
Option C is the right
Okay,
answer then.
human eye numerical you got, that's good. So I was just missing that human eye numerical, so I covered it in the morning, today's session. So it was in the paper, happy to hear that. That is good. That's good.
Good.
Numericals and all.
Huh. Okay, so it is actually option C. Okay, so now it is physics.
In the field.
Physics
Thank you,
turn.
thank you.
Yeah. What's the question? At what distance from convex lens should a object be placed to get an image of same size as that of object on the screen? Easy question. It is from ray diagrams.
Okay.
I
So,
said no, ray
convex
diagram is
lens.
important. Say only one keyword you want. Same size is nothing but twice the focal length. That's all.
C,
I only
C.
told the answer.
Okay.
I didn't
option
left you to
C.
guess. All have teachers very well. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Okay, so it is option C. Moving forward, the lens system of human eye forms an image on light sensitive screen. Screen is dash. Cornea, ciliary muscles, optic nerve, retina.
Retina?
No.
I don't know.
I think retina is correct answer.
That's
Retina.
correct. So Ankita ma'am has guessed it right.
Three,
Yeah,
blue
so it is retinas. See, only one simple keyword, same size 2F. Screen is retina, that's all. This is also easy. MCQs are easy. MCQs are really easy.
Very easy they
Ah,
have given.
Retina, yes,
We thought
exactly.
They will ask twisted questions.
Ah,
and all.
MCQ
They
is
nothing,
easy.
all were direct.
So solenoid, if the inside the solenoid, what is the option? Anybody want to guess it?
B.
The pattern of the no.
I don't know.
Uh-huh.
Ma'am, Navya ma'am, you also
Magnetic
guessed.
field move from one side to one side, right, ma'am?
Solenoid.
One side to one side.
Inside the
Inside the
solenoid.
current
B,
solenoid.
then B.
B.
I feel option D.
Can students answer this question? You're also, ma'am, you're also telling B? D. So, teachers are telling B and D. What is the right answer?
Maybe C.
In the chat. Quickly. Magnetic field inside the solenoid is...
C.
Anyone? Quickly, we have to move to the next.
Help us out.
Yeah. It's easy comparative to set 2 and all. I have just checked with set 1 and set 2. Set 2 is little difficult.
Which question? This question.
Yeah.
Solenoid question.
Solenoid. Inside the solenoid. Oh. Why, students? I didn't expected this from you. It's not fine.
Then what is the
So what is the answer? Tell us. Uniform at all the points exactly. When it is uniform, it is just straight line, nothing else.
Oh, okay.
Very
Okay,
simple.
yeah.
Magnetic field inside the solenoid is constant at everywhere, so it will not change anywhere. It will same, straight lines. That's all. Why D?
But starting I already
It's
told.
not outside the solenoid, inside the solenoid, right? If outside the solenoid, it is like bar magnet. Yeah, let's move to the... Yes, it's A. Inside the solenoid. Exactly. Yes, next we have bio question, I think.
Bio question. Okay. So now identify the food chain in which the organism of the second trophic level are missing.
Second
Okay.
trophic level are the primary consumers.
No.
Secondary consumers.
No. Primary are the producers.
Huh.
You said primary are the consumers.
Secondary. So this is second
Secondary,
trophic level.
in
means-
second trophic level, there will be herbivores.
Huh. Primary
Herbivores.
consumers.
Huh.
Primary consumers. Right?
Primary consumers, yeah.
Huh.
So, and one more thing, it is not in the order.
D.
No,
Not in
What
order.
we have
not
to
in
choose,
order.
what we have.
That's why you should.
Then B. And then C. Then
I didn't
But
even understand the question.
But if it, I too didn't got the
See what
question.
I'll tell you. In the first trophic level, it will be producers. Producers means plant. Second one, for example, grasshopper. Because grasshopper eats plant, right? And then grasshopper is eaten by snake. And snake is eaten by eagle. But here it is not in the same order. So you should
then
identify.
D. Here frog is there between
But
snake
see,
and eagle.
grass is there, grasshopper, and then comes frog, snake, eagle. Everything is there. Not D.
Is it not A?
A is also, see, grass,
Goat,
goat.
lion.
Goat eats, that is also herbivore.
Okay, then phytoplankton. So
Zoo-
phytoplankton will be eaten by
Zooplankton.
Zooplankton is eaten by small fish. Small fish is
That
eaten
is
by
also
large
right.
fish.
So which one? Which is that second one?
C. Then
It's
D.
D. See, because grass is there.
Ah,
Okay, fine. Grass is eaten by either insects or some grasshopper. Here it is not that. Directly frog is there. Frog doesn't eat grass. See, so this is tertiary. Frog is eaten by snake. Snake is eaten. This is not the right one. C is not the right.
So it's
Grass eaten by tiger.
See here, secondary. This is not there. No.
missing.
It is wrong, right?
This one is wrong. All other is in the format. See, grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, eagle. Okay. Grass, goat, lion. It is in the order. Whereas second one is phytoplankton, zooplankton, small fish, large fish. But look at this. Grass is there. Grass is eaten by herbivore is not there.
Okay. Yeah.
That's why option
There
C
is no
is the
herbivore. All of these
order
are
is also
carnivores.
not formed. It is not in the
We
this one.
are seeing the comments. We are seeing now.
Yeah, what is
What
Navya one was
happened?
explaining, no, so we were busy listening to
Oh,
that.
who no teachers are not for.
Yeah,
Okay.
they are talking with themselves. They are thinking like that.
Next,
No,
31
who
to
knows?
1. Tarun. Okay.
Teachers will come.
Okay. Yeah, we
Okay,
are
we'll
seeing
see-
the
we'll
comments
see the
now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll move on to next question. In which of the following organism multiple fission is the means of asexual reproduction? Any guesses? You will have to guess here. Because I know you will not be sure with the examples, right?
Yeast.
No, not yeast. Yeast is budding.
This
Paramecium.
paramecium or plasmodium.
Paramecium is binary fission. Here they are asking multiple fission.
Plasmodium
Then option
by
Plasmodium.
B is
Plasmodium.
also not on.
Plasmodium. So, ma'am, 100% data
Very
package
sad.
over.
Where is sir? Sir will come. Wait.
What is the sex number?
Hi, Simran.
31.
I doubt. I guess today no biology, sir.
Sir is going to come.
He'll come.
Yeah, he'll come.
Wait.
Keep yourself calm. Simran, he will come.
The set
B.
number is 3111. I have said it, right?
Why you people left the Kannada channel? It was so nice with perfect
No, we didn't
fluency.
left. Right? We are.
We didn't
After-
leave the
after.
channel. As of now, we are focusing on
CBSE
this channel.
exams are
Yeah.
right going on, right? So for that.
Tarun started.
Why are you dreaming about Basuraj sir always? Please be quiet. Oh my god, you guys. You waited for 5 days. Yeah, we understand. It must be really hard for you, Simran. Yes.
Simran, how was your exam? How was your exam?
Yeah. That was important.
Chandini.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay, hi.
Hi.
Huh? Nobody here is married. Who is looking good in Shadi pics?
Ah,
There is this meme, no? Have you seen this meme where the boy says, huh?
yeah. We
that's
should
me now.
Yeah.
मैम आप अपनी शादी की पिक में बहुत अच्छी लग रही है हाँ जेठालाल not married no one neither of us is married any one of us is not married because of sir only
Then only.
oh that's very nice he taught you chemistry and physics as well
Yeah.
nice
It taught you life process chapter and control and coordination as well.
Plan for SSC.
what is the plan for SST we'll be coming up with
on the
plan
channel.
okay
Yeah.
it will be up on the channel there are okay huh all right yeah let's move on
Yeah.
Assertion reason
This
now,
is
right?
chemistry. Yes.
both assertion and reason are true okay we should see
ABC.
what is it okay 17 to 20 it is assertion and reasoning questions okay what is it
I think I'm in heart. I think I'm in heart. Bio sir.
what is it ma'am you're Tamil no we are all Kannadigas we are Kannadatis and this sir is Kannadiga yes
A whole chapter in her dreams.
chapter in her dreams ma'am what
I guess.
I guess.
sir has taught all the chapters in her dreams we don't understand
See,
What is
because
it?
she told
guess
no.
he gets
oh
Ah.
oh yeah
Then
maybe
who taught
maybe
chemistry and physics? You are telling no, all chapters.
Yeah, this is an educational channel, but as your science exam is over, so we are just chilling around. We will
Yeah.
grind you from tomorrow. Wait.
With social SST is there, na?
Will come morning,
March 7.
evening, every time you should be just
Yeah.
study.
Okay.
White color.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. That's because of the, color dress. That's it. Jai Kannadambe. Yeah, Jai Kannadambe. Everybody say Jai Kannadambe.
Kannadambe.
And what else? Paper discussion. Yeah. This is 3111. Thug gaming. Okay. Yeah. So let's discuss assertion and reason. Hydrogen gas is not evolved when zinc reacts with nitric acid. Reason: nitric acid oxidizes the hydrogen gas produced to water and itself get reduced. What do you think is the right answer? Okay. Nitric acid is a very good oxidizing agent. That is the hint that I'm giving. Nitric acid is going to undergo reduction and it is oxidizing the other. Okay. So usually what happens when a metal reacts with an acid, it is going to produce hydrogen gas in the respective salt. But nitric acid is a very good oxidizing agent. What's going to happen?
This is false. It's not.
It is very
That is
easy.
right,
Ah.
actually.
Hey, false.
Oh, Chinmay, you're from Uttar Karnataka. That's very nice. Very nice. Why? We want sir to teach chemistry. We are not going to kick him off. Nope. What set number 3111? Yeah. Alright. You have maths exam, remember? So sir is going to teach maths exam.
Complete mathematics. No,
Mathematics.
he has some surprise also. He said yesterday he was telling some new teacher and all. New
Yeah.
non-teacher, it seems.
Mental only react with dilute acids. Metal it is, yeah. We got it. Autocorrect, yeah. Metal is going to react with acids, but nitric acid is a very strong oxidizing agent. It is going to oxidize hydrogen gas which is produced to H2O. Okay?
You get
Yeah. So option, what's going to be the option?
Yeah.
Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Okay.
Yeah,
Next.
this is the biology. Accumulation of harmful chemicals is maximum in the organism at the highest trophic level of food chain. I guess this one Lalit or Tarun asked in the morning what is biomagnification. There was some student. So what do you think, student? Is it true or false? And then the harmful chemicals are sprayed on the crops to protect them from diseases and pests.
Yeah, assertion is also true, reason is also
It's
true.
also true.
But not the,
not
correct
the right
for
explanation.
assertion.
So option B is the
The
right answer.
This is biomagnification, right?
Yeah, biomagnification.
Ah.
Next one. Even this is bio question. The rate of breathing in aquatic organism is much faster than in terrestrial organism. You all agree with that, right? Yeah, Lalita had asked that. Biomagnification, yes. So now the rate of breathing in aquatic organism is faster than in terrestrial organism. That is true.
Yeah.
The amount
Reason
of
is
oxygen
wrong.
dissolved in water, the amount of oxygen dissolved in water is very high as compared to the amount of oxygen in the air.
No.
So that is false. So only A is right, R is false. So what is the right answer? Is it
C.
A is true, C is the right answer. Next one is rainbow.
Sir is
Physics.
right
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Sir is right here.
Yeah. What's the physics question?
ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ದಿನ ಸ್ಕೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ರೋಹನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಗಿವ್ us please
One
give
day
us
break.
break.
One day.
One day break.
One day rest, please.
Yeah.
Sick leave. Early morning we came. Yesterday
Yeah.
also
Yeah.
something like session.
It's not your exam. It's like our
Our
exam.
exam.
So we are sitting and preparing for your
I haven't
exam.
even worked this hard during my board
Yeah,
exams.
That's what I was thinking. During board exams also I didn't struggle so
Yeah,
much.
it was really you have to provide everything, the questions, answer, everything, doubts. Really.
Yeah. So we will be, starting from Monday. Continuous sessions, guys. Okay, no
Yeah.
break at all. We are going to go mega marathon every single day. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. What is the question?
Rainbow.
Yeah, the rainbow is natural spectrum of sunlight in the sky is the assertion, and reason is rainbow is formed in the sky when sun is overhead and water droplets are also present in the air. And yeah, ma'am, sir, what's the answer?
Which is the answer? What is it?
Rainbow is
It's the natural spectrum of sunlight in the sky.
Rainbow is formed in the sky when the sun is overhead and water droplets are also present. There's a twist in the
Scattering happens, right? Is that because of scattering?
in the first go it appears like it is something okay, but if you read it in a detail there is some twist in the question. There is little twist over here.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't want to confuse you.
Okay,
Anything
okay.
you can
Please
guess.
answer.
Yeah.
Don't
Answer
know.
is nothing but reason is false.
Okay.
But if we study this, we think both are true. But
Ah.
this overhead, this one word made it false. That's the twist.
Okay.
That's the catch
Okay,
over here.
what is supposed to be the right
It
answer?
should be a side by side. The sun
Okay.
rays should come by side. It should go underwater, and
Hmm.
then we'll get rainbow. If it is from upward, it is not possible. It should
Okay,
be from
okay,
side.
Is
Sun
it because
rays.
of the scattering? Scattering of light?
Dispersion of light?
Dispersion of
Hmm.
light. Okay. Oh, the prism. So
Seven
we'll pass-
colors.
Ah,
Seven
yeah,
colors
yeah,
will
yeah.
get
We'll
split,
pass
right?
a white light
Ah,
and it is
that's
going
the
to spread.
reason.
Seven
Yeah.
colors with yeah.
So got it. How many of you thought this is both assertion and reason are true? How many of you thought that? Yeah, it is. Reason is false. So option C, assertion is true, reason is false. Direct question was on laws of refraction. Then it is aram, so you can put the get the marks, right? Direct question. Array, which set is this? 31, 1, 1. Okay. Yeah.
Come friends, sir. All are not-
No. Physics question is.
It's
is
okay,
na.
darling. For that only, no, we are
If
just
I come na, Ankita ma'am is not seen. That's why I.
Okay, the 21st is chemistry.
Yeah, now chemistry question.
Name the type of chemical reaction in which calcium oxide reacts with water. Justify your answer by giving balanced chemical equation for the chemical reaction. This is a combination reaction. Calcium oxide is going to react with carbon dioxide to give calcium carbonate. It's itself is balanced. The skeletal equation is itself balanced. That's it. Okay. Super easy.
Yeah. So now, students, I had told you, no, from human digestive system, what will they ask? They will ask you to mention either the functioning of those digestive fluid, from where, which gland secretes it, right? And then what is the function of that enzyme? I had told you, the same thing. See, state one role of each of the following in human digestive system. Hydrochloric acid, in the morning also I told you, what is the function of hydrochloric acid? One, it kills the microorganism that is present in the food. The second function is it activates the pepsin.
Hi.
See?
Will be coming.
Yeah, come friend. Ah. Okay. And the second function of hydrochloric acid is it activates pepsin enzyme. Right? And then what did I say? I told you, the complete digestion occurs in small intestine. After digestion, absorption also occurs in small intestine only. Why? Because of the presence of villi. And what is anal sphincter? Students, do you remember yesterday when I was doing the human digestive system, I told you that the opening that is present between esophagus and the stomach, and the opening that is present between the stomach and the small intestine, what is that called as? I asked you that question. See, anal, and then the opening of the anus, that is anal sphincter, right? Okay. And then lipase, what is the function of lipase? See, everywhere they have asked. Yeah, they have asked the function of enzyme. I told from digestive system they'll ask that only. See, similar like that only they've asked. Lipase, it will break down the fat. Clear with that? And then how is the movement of leaf of sensitive plant different from the downward movement of the root? See, I told you, best example that I gave was touch me not plant. What happens when you touch the leaf of the touch me not plant? It closes, right? So over there is the stimulus and the movement of the leaf. Is it what are they in accordance with each other? No, right? So what is it? It's a nastic movement. And then how is the downward movement of the root is nothing but it is positive geotropism. Right, so this is a trophic movement. Downward movement of root is trophic movement, whereas the movement of leaf or sensitive, that is nastic movement. Okay. And then there is one more question. There is hormone which regulates. So which hormone? Which hormone regulates the metabolism of carbohydrate, proteins and fat? Which hormone, students? Sir, speak, sir. Come this side. Only your hand is seen.
So you call Pretty ma'am.
Pretty ma'am.
Simran. Yeah. Ma'am, and does not contain question from. Yes, there was no much question from control. This is from control and coordination only. Now that the question that I'm asking.
Oh, no,
But
no.
in set 1, maybe it varies, right? And how do organism reproduce? Yeah.
Thyroxine.
Yes, it is adrenaline. No, not adrenaline. The one that regulates the metabolism is thyroxine. Okay, and name the hormone in the gland which secretes it. Which hormone secretes it? The hormone is secreted by which gland? Come on, comment. Any guesses?
You don't know
Definitely
answer.
not thyroxine.
Thyroxine is nothing but
Thyroid.
thyroid.
Thyroxine and ಅದು ಮೆಟಬಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ನ
Oh.
ಥೈರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್
Really?
Yes.
I didn't know this. Okay.
and thyroid gland ಆಮೇಲೆ
I
why
thought
is
it
it
had
in
something to do with iodine deficiency or something.
yeah that also iodine
Got
it has to be yeah
Thyroid
if the sufficient amount of iodine is not taken then thyroxine will not be released. If thyroxine is released in smaller amount then it leads to goiter. Okay, so next question is physics.
Okay. So we have numerical question over here. So okay, shall we solve the numerical? Where's the pen? Here. Okay. So what are the given points? Why this turned blue? Okay, let it be. Listen. See, only this much we can zoom. If I zoom it more, you will not see the question. So let me solve it quickly. Object is placed at 10 centimeter. So object distance is given. Object is always negative. That is 10 centimeter. Okay. Then what is next? Convex mirror. Convex mirror focal length is positive. Focal length of 15 centimeter. F is equals to positive. So 15. We have to calculate what is V. Which formula? This is lens, right? No, mirror. Okay. Mirror formula. Okay. So solve. Tell me the final answer quickly in the chat. I'll be solving here. You also solve by yourself and tell me the answer. One by 15 is equals to 1 by V. We have to calculate minus 1 by 10. 1 by V is equals to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. So if I take the LCM, so 15, 20, 30. 30, here 2 plus 3. So what is the final answer? What is the V? Value of V? Yes, first solve this paper, right? Yeah. What is the answer? 5, okay. So yes, V is 6 centimeter. That's all. This is the answer. This is the answer, okay? Yeah. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? Yes, exactly. 6 centimeter. Very good. This is very basic question. No twist, no turns. Direct formula, substitution, calculation. That's all. I have explained these kind of numericals many times. And I think I have solved these kind of numericals also in the session. Yes. It's not 6 meter, 6 centimeter. Okay. Yeah. Let me just erase this quickly. Let me erase this quickly. Is it clear to everyone? This simple formula, substitution and calculation. See here. Next one. See. Physics question are easy. Yes, in this. Right? Next is we have to connect 3 resistors of 6 ohm to get the total result 9 ohm. So how to connect it? 1 in series and 2 in parallel. This is the connection. Okay, okay, thank you so much. Thank you for that. Okay. See here, how much is this? Yes, what is the total? 666. This is parallel, so it will be 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, that is 2 by 6, 3 ohm. So this parallel combination gives 3 ohm resistance and plus here 6 ohm. 3 plus 6 is 9 ohm. Is that clear? Yes, Ritik, is that clear? Yeah? 9 ohm equivalent. Yes, everybody, I hope that's clear. This one was from numerical and other question was also similar to numerical, but we have to draw the circuit over here. I hope that's clear and we can move to the next question. Okay, again from physics. Okay, let me solve it. Okay, calculate. Again, I have to erase this.
You can take the
Yeah.
another page, I guess, but it's hidden. Use bigger strokes. No, it's not coming. I'm doing manual job for ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, yes. Okay, so let me solve this quickly. Yes, resistance. So series combination is 1 plus 2, that is equals to 3 ohm is the resistance, and 6 volt. What is the power? Before power, I'll calculate I, which is V by R, that is 6 by 3, 2 ampere. Power is equals to I square R. Why I square? In series, I is constant. I square is 2 square. R is at 2 ohm resistance. At 2 ohm resistance, so you should consider 2. So it is 4 into 2. That is equals to 8 ohm is the final answer. Why do not two magnetic field lines intersect each other? Because if they intersect each other, they will give different direction at a single point, which is not possible. Right? Then how is uniform magnetic field lines given in the region represented? Uniform field lines we had in the MCQ question also. Just straight lines. Yes? Again, you're asking for which set? It is 3111. Easy question. Set 3. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? So I hope these kind of questions were in other set also. So I'm explaining this. It's not only for this set. I hope these kind of questions you also had. So I'm solving this. One is from mirror formula, combination of resistance. Here power concept, magnetic field concept. Okay. So lens, that is light, electricity, magnetism. 3 chapters concepts are used here. Okay. Yeah. Let's move to the section C now. And the question is chemistry.
Yes, students. Okay, next move on to the section C. Students, the question is, it's okay, ma'am.
Oh, we can move this. Oh, that's good.
Write one chemical equation each for the chemical reaction in which the following have taken place. Change in color is there, change in temperature is there, formation of PPT is there. Change in color, very simple. Potassium iodide, yellow color. Yes. Second question, change in temperature. You can give any metal reaction. Whenever metal is heated, metal is reacted with oxygen, metal oxide. It is also example. What's about PPT? Precipitate. I already explained you, right? Double displacement reaction. Confirm question. I already told you. Yes, double displacement reaction. That's all. Next question, ma'am.
The pH of a sample of tomato juice is 4.6. How is this juice likely to taste? So, of course, pH below, hold it please, pH below 4.6, I mean 7 means it is acidic in nature. And in the very second chapter, in the first para only, we have discussed that acids are sour to taste. Okay, so sour is the right answer. Give reason to justify your answer, because when pH will be lesser than 7, it means that hydrogen ion concentration will be more, which means that the substance is acidic in nature and acids are sour to taste. And how do we differentiate between strong acid and a weak base in terms of ion formation in aqueous solution? So strong acids are those which are going to completely ionize in water. So there will be more number of H plus ions in water or H3O plus ions in water. But in case of weak bases are those which are going to partially or incomplete ionization occurs in water. So OH minus ions will be lesser in concentration. Okay, comparatively strong base, strong acid. So today in today's last revision, I have discussed this. Okay, strong bases, strong acids, weak bases, and weak bases. Next, the acid rain can make the survival of aquatic animals difficult. How? So all the aquatic animals, even human beings, we rely on a specific pH for our metabolic activities, right, ma'am? Ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes, metabolic activities occur in certain pH.
Yes.
Other when the pH is varied, so we are going to suffer. The same thing happens in case of aquatic animals as well. So when acid rain, when rain pours down as acid rain, it is going to go to the sources of water and it is going to vary the pH of the water. So slightly basic or slightly acidic water is fine. Okay, usually, so the basic pH are metabolic activities, organisms metabolic activities rely on basic pH. So when the pH is made acidic, so it is going to vary the metabolic activities. All right. Displacement reaction and decomposition reaction. What is that? Anyway, so moving on. Yes, biology.
So, yeah, why is respiratory pigment needed in multicellular organism with large body size? Why? See, what is the respiratory pigment? It is hemoglobin, right? What is hemoglobin doing? See, it has got high affinity towards oxygen, right? So, yeah, the oxygen gets bind to the hemoglobin, and then hemoglobin, it will transport that oxygen throughout the body. So now we require more hemoglobin. Why? In case of multicellular organism with large body size. Why? Because see, the multicellular organism, now what happens is that they require a lot of energy to perform work, right? So the respiration has to take place. In order to release energy, for that oxygen is required, right? So now we require more amount of energy, which means to say that we require more oxygen. That's why we require more respiratory pigment. Okay, and then give reason for the following. The rings of the cartilage are present in throat. Why? I told you to prevent the collapse of air. The cartilaginous rings are present, right? And then the second one is the lung always contains residual volume of air. I guess yesterday Tarun had asked this question. Yesterday or day before yesterday, he had asked about residual volume of air. What is it? I told now that what is happening when we inhale, some amount of air enters inside and our lungs will absorb the oxygen. And when you exhale, what happens? Like some amount of air, we exhale it out, right? So do you think that when we inhale, the some amount of air, it gets accumulated in the alveoli, right? And when you exhale, do you think that entire amount of the air is exhaled out? No, right? Some amount of air, it remains in the alveoli itself. Why? So that there is sufficient time for the absorption of oxygen and then the diffusion of carbon dioxide into the alveoli. For that, okay. And then the diaphragm flattens. The diaphragm flattens. Rib are lifted up when we breathe in. So when we breathe in, what happens? Why does the diaphragm flattens? Which means to say that the diaphragm, it goes down. So and then what happens? Even the ribs are lifted up. So your chest cavity will expand. When the chest cavity expands, the air pressure within the lung decreases so that you can inhale. Okay, and then walls of alveoli contain an extensive network of blood vessel, right? So why? I told you, the deoxygenated blood is pumped from heart. See, when the veins carry deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body to the heart, right? And then heart, it pumps the deoxygenated blood to lungs so that the deoxygenated blood can be converted into oxygenated, and then the oxygenated is brought back by pulmonary veins, right? So now in the lungs, what is happening? The deoxygenated blood is converting into oxygenated, right? How? See, the blood capillaries that carries this deoxygenated blood, right? So that blood capillaries are present around the alveoli, and then what happens is that in the deoxygenated blood, the carbon dioxide that is present in the blood capillary, it diffuses into alveoli, and then from the alveoli, the oxygen diffuses into the blood. This is how the deoxygenated blood is converted to oxygenated one. That's why here the walls of alveoli, it contains extensive network of blood vessel. Okay, and then the next question is about reflex action. Define reflex action with the help of flowchart. show the path of reflex action such as sneezing. So, when at times, you know, when you inhale some dust particle, you immediately sneeze, right? That is one of the example for reflex action. It is involuntary, it is immediate involuntary response, right? Like I told you in the morning, that reflex action here, it is controlled by spinal cord. And what are all the neurons that are involved in this? It is sensory neuron, associated neuron, and motor neuron. Okay, clear with that? When is next quiz? They want quiz. Monday social quiz. Okay, is sir will take the SST?
Yes, Simran, yes. Sir will take the class, geography. Okay, stay.
Come to this session.
And if you pass it on to your friends and make it 2K, sir is going to take history as well.
Yeah, if you help in growing this channel, then you know even the sir can take online classes for you. Okay. Okay, what? Praneeth, you have any doubt? Not answering our doubts. What was this doubt? Is there any doubt? Check. No, na. Praneeth, comment your doubt. Okay, so next one is physics. Physics, ma'am. Okay, I will wait. Okay, Simran.
Good for you, Simran.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Human eye, defect of vision, question. Okay, what's that? Study the diagram given below and what is the defect? Yeah. What is the defect? Simple. See here, focal length is more. Focal length is more, so it is hypermetropia. That's all. Hypermetropia. The defect of vision is hypermetropia, and reason. The second, list two causes for the defect. Causes. Elongation of eyeball. Oh, not right. Elongation of eyeball, or the radius of curvature is big, right? Or focal length is more. Okay, that's the reason. Next, with the help of the diagram, show how the defect can be corrected. It can be corrected using convex lens. Clear? That's all. Defect is hypermetropia caused due to increase in the radius of curvature, or it is small radius of curvature is less and eyeball size is small, focal length is more. That defect is called as hypermetropia. Exactly, that's good. Okay? Yeah, it can be corrected using convex lens. Okay, next. Name, this is easy question. Yeah, this is easy question. Yeah, focal length is more. Okay, this is easy question. Name the state of rules. There are only two rules. Right hand thumb rule, Fleming's left hand rule, and that is the answer. First one question, magnetic field and current. Magnetic field and current is given by right hand thumb rule. Right? Force. Force is given by Fleming's left hand rule. That's all. Clear? Clear, clear, clear. Okay. You can ask sir for that. Okay? Yeah, then, yeah, it's again bio question. Ma'am?
Yes, coming.
No chemistry questions.
No. It is there.
Only 5 marks on 3 marks on.
Okay.
In MCQ.
So this is very easy question, right? Look at this. See the plant, deer, lion. Right? Okay. So now in the given food chain, what will be the impact of removing all organism of second trophic level on the first and the third trophic level? So what is the question? What will be the impact of removing all the organism of the second trophic level? Nothing but if the deer is removed, then what happens to the first organism that are present in first trophic level and organism that are present in third trophic level? See, the plant population will increase, whereas lion's population will decrease. Right? And then the next part of the question is, will the impact be the same for the organism of the third trophic level in the above food chain if they were present in food web? In case of food web, what happens? There are so many food chain that is interlinked, right? So that time what happens, if lion doesn't get deer, then it will attack, there will be some other prey, right? Which it can depend upon. So the lion's population will not decrease. Okay? And next one. Which question? Is this name gas X which is deadly poisonous that is found in eye level of which Is this no? I guess this one is.
Okay, a gas which is deadly
Wait,
poison is found.
CFC. It is about CFC, ozone layer will deplete. So that is CFC. Name the gas and write the function performed by this gas in the atmosphere. Which chemical is linked to decrease in the level of this gas? Yeah. So Has sir would like to answer this. Come on, sir.
See, I know about
It's okay. Tell something about CFC.
So yeah, it is chlorofluorocarbons. It is going to, produce. It is going to break down O3 molecule into O2 and nascent oxygen. Okay, and what else? Yeah, deadly poison is found at the higher levels. Yes, gas X. Maybe it is chlorine. Chlorine is used to produce, CFCs. All right. Yeah. So we'll have to ask Basavaraj sir this. Yeah, Simran, yeah, we are calling sir. He's not available. He's taking another class. You can join there as well if you are interested in NEET.
Neat English.
Okay? NEET English. NEET English. Vedantu NEET English.
He's teaching there.
Yeah. Go.
Sent him.
Yeah. So moving on to the next one.
Why is it not?
That's
Okay. Section
okay.
D.
So define homologous series of carbon compounds, sir. Would you like to? Homologous series of compounds. How do we define that? It is a series of compounds which have the same chemical formula or same general formula. Okay, and they have similar physical properties. They show a regular gradation in physical properties. Yeah, they show a regular gradation in physical properties. They have the same chemical properties. Okay, and their preparation is similar. Okay. Which class? Simran, we told you already. Vedantu NEET English. He's taking a class. Botany. Please go watch that. Next, why is melting and boiling point of C4H8 is higher than that of C3H6 or C2H4? It's very simple. So C2H4, okay, then C3H8. There is an increase in CH2 group, that is 14 atomic mass unit. Okay, from C3H6 to H6 to C4H8, there is again increase in CH2 unit. So as the molecular mass increases, the boiling point or the melting point increases. Okay, so Sriram, will discuss other sets in upcoming sessions. Okay, yeah. So next, why do we not see any gradation in chemical properties of homologous series compounds? Because homologous series of compounds contain the same functional group. That's why we don't see any difference in chemical properties. They are going to behave the same because they have same functional group. Okay. Next, write the name and structure of aldehyde and ketone with molecular formula C3H6. C3H6. Whoa. C3H6. Whoa. What have they asked? Aldehyde and ketone. Okay. So aldehyde CH3, CH2, CHO. Okay. Is it true? Is it right? Yeah, it is right. If it comes to ketone, CH3, C double bond, CH3. Yeah, this is it. C3, C3. So there are 3 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Okay. We are not ignoring you, please. If your comment is relevant to the class, we will definitely respond to you. Okay. What's the plan for social? Unknown, we'll sit and plan today. Okay.
Unknown, the plan is unknown.
Yeah. Ma'am has come up with a really a really good pun.
The plan is still unknown. We'll let you know when we get to know.
Yeah.
Unknown.
Please be patient, unknown. His name is Gokul. Gokul, yes. Okay. That's grammatically incorrect, but well. Incorrect. Yeah. So moving on. Next we have. Sir, please come.
Write the name and structure of organic compound X having 2 carbon atoms in its molecule and its name is suffixed with OL. It's very simple. Ethanol, C2H5OH. Right? Then second question. What happens when X is heated with excess of concentrated sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin? Write chemical equation for the reaction starting the condition. For the reaction, also state the role played by concentrated sulfuric acid. It is an dehydrating agent, right, students? Ma'am, it's not.
You want this
Yeah,
to
yeah, one. You can do this.
Yeah. Thank you. Ethanol C2H5OH. Whenever we heat the compound at 443, concentrated H2SO4 to yield ethene and water molecule. Okay, next question. Name and draw the electronic dot structure of hydrocarbon produced in the above reaction. This one, ethene molecule. This is an electronic dot structure. Students? Okay. No.
Just came to see your sessions.
yeah.
Yeah,
Ask the
okay.
question to Sarah.
Chemistry.
It's so in this question answer. What happens when X is heated with excess concentrated sulfuric acid? What is X? You simply identify X. That's all. That is enough. Enough. X is enough.
Girl
No.
for me. And that will be boy for these girls.
Okay.
Concentrated sulfuric acid reaction started in the condition. You know, it's difficult. I know this one. Define homologous.
Yeah, sir.
So if they have same functional groups,
my
so that will be the homologous series. And Y is the melting point because they have strong covalent bond. Because of that, they है ना?
Yes.
Almost.
Kind of similar.
Almost.
Almost.
Okay.
But it is an answer. Homologous. They are in homologous. That's why.
Okay, that's why. Okay, write the name and structure of aldehyde. C double bond O, single bond H.
Oh my God.
Okay,
So
Very
ketones.
good. Nice.
Keton C double bond O. What is the molecular form of this? So we need to draw the structure.
Here.
So C 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 6 hydrogen. Let me check. Will work or yeah.
Keto.
Very nice.
Sir.
Propanone.
Oh my God.
Sir, please accept this.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Sir, it is also easy. Come here. It is also easy. I already write here. This is X. What is this?
Ethanol.
That's only the answer.
Okay.
It's very easy.
Ethanol is Sir's favorite.
Simple.
Yes, sir. Super.
Carry on. Carry on.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
you can teach chemistry easily.
Mm.
I thought chemistry also. Chemistry, physics, both. Chemistry, physics, and math.
Oh, super.
Nice. Kullu bhaiya.
Kullu bhaiya, big fan. Krishu.
Thank you so much, guys. I'm
Yes.
a big fan.
Halwa, sir, you want?
That's halwa.
Yeah.
Yes, somebody gave this to him.
Yes.
Yeah, eat it. Yeah, it's edible.
Give Mithun sir also.
It's edible.
Mithun sir, you also taste.
Now you're going to die.
Sir, Kullu bhai, they are calling
Big
they're
fan.
calling you. It is Krishu, big fan. They are even come here, sir. Come
Hi,
here.
hi. Thank you so much, yaar. And I'm big fan of these teachers because they are doing very good job. है ना? Do your job.
Yes. Let's move for the next question. Who is next? Name 3 techniques devices used by human females.
Like human female. You thought reactions. Hey, what is this? What did you do? Hey, what is this? Sir. What, sir? What did you do, sir? Okay. Huh. So name. Okay. Name 3 techniques or devices that is used by human female to avoid pregnancy. What are those 3 contraceptive methods? Mention side effect that is caused by each.
Property, diagram,
They even the chemical method is they take pills.
pills.
Hormonal imbalance, at times there will be side effect.
Ah.
And sometimes what happens, they even do surgical method is that fallopian tube, they cut, tubectomy.
They tie
That,
it.
yeah, what happens is that sometimes it might get opened also, it affects it
Oh.
if it is not done properly. Okay, and one more is this one, physical barrier. They use cervical caps and all, right? And then what will happen if in a human female, fertilization takes place.
Pregnancy.
And yeah, if fertilization takes place, what happens? See, the fusion of male and female gamete occurs where in the fallopian tube, and then that will be after fertilization. It will be implanted in the uterine wall, and then the zygote develops. Cell division occurs, and that develops into fetus. It takes 9 months, right? And then, in case if the egg is not fertilized, then what happens? Usually every menstruation, every 28 days, what happens is that always the uterus, it prepares its inner lining of the wall. But in case if there is no fertilization, then that inner lining ruptures, yeah, and leads to menstrual cycle, right? Yeah, the menstruation.
Do this.
Okay. And draw diagram showing the spore formation in rhizopus. Rhizopus, you know, right? There will be that stalk-like structure. At the top, there is bulb. Within the bulb, there will be spores that is present. In this, which is that reproductive part, that is the spore. And then the stalk that you see is the non-reproductive. And why does rhizopus not multiply on a dry slice of bread? Why? Because it requires moisture content for its development, and also they derive their nutrients from the bread. Okay, they get nutrients from the bread. Even in dry condition they get, but the moisture content is very, very important for the asexual reproduction to happen. That's why. And then name and explain the process by which the reproduction takes place in hydra. In the morning also I explained them. It is budding. Yes, what happens is that first the bud, it develops on the parent cell itself, parent body itself, right? And then the bud, it remains in the parent body for some time. It develops on the parent body itself. After it matures into miniature, then it will fall, it splits from the parent body and develops into that tiny bud develops into a new individual. Okay. Next is
Physics.
physics. Yeah. Which is that to me?
The Chinese mud. Do this.
Left.
Okay. So what's the question? Again, one numerical. Okay, let's solve that. Yeah. What is the question? Yes. Define the electric power. You can define the power. Power is nothing but rate of change of work done. W by T, power, in terms of potential difference, and express it in terms of potential difference and resistance, right? So we know the formula, power P is equals to V into I, but it is asked in terms of V and R. So we should use your Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? I is equal, yeah, we have to substitute for I. I is equals to V by R. Yes, instead of, in the place of I, we have to substitute V by R. Okay, so what will be the power formula over here? It will be V square by R. So this formula, if you have written, you'll get the marks for the first point. What is second? An electrical oven. Okay, let me write the given points. V is given, voltage 220 volt, right? And 11 units. It's nothing but energy, 11 kilowatt hour, right? 11 units. Okay, calculate the, for time is given 5 hours. Yes, so this is the thing given. Just, okay. So how to calculate the power? How to calculate the power? Power is equals to energy consumed per time. Energy is 11, time is 5. So if we cancel this out, 2 point, yes, 5 2s are 10, 1 will be remaining, again point, 2.2. 2.2 watt. Clear? Power, yes, V is equals to IR, exactly. Exactly, we have to use V is equals to IR. From that, we'll derive this formula. Yeah, hello, Arun. Okay, power is done. Next, what is current drawn by the circuit? Current we have to calculate. Okay, I is equals to, right? So, how to calculate the current? We can use V by R. V by R, right? Or else we can use P into V. Anything. We can use any formula over here. Okay, if I use V by R, V is 220. Right? So we have to calculate the current, right? Okay. So yes, where is R? Okay. Just a second. Okay. P is 2.2. Just a second. Okay. Let's use here P by V. Then we'll get the answer. P by V. Power is 2200, right? Kilowatt is it is kilowatt. Kilo means 10 power 3. So 2000 divided by volt. Volt is 220. So onza, it is equal to 10 ampere. 10 ampere is the current, okay? 10 ampere is the current. Okay. Next, what is there? Resistance of the oven. So how to calculate resistance? Resistance is equals to V by I. V by I. V, 220. I is 10. 220 by 10, that is 22 ohm. Resistance, 22 ohm resistance. Yeah, is that clear? No need, I have solved it, right? No need of calculator over here. Okay? Yeah. Let's move to the next question. Okay. Just I'm trying to move this aside. Yeah. Again, just a second. I'll just erase this. Okay. Yeah, what's the next question? Write the relation between resistance, resistivity, length, area. Very easy. Right? Yeah. So what's the relation? R is equals to rho L by A. Resistance formula, very simple. Very direct formula. Very direct formula, right? Yeah. Next is resistance of the material. Again, we have to calculate here. Just a second. Let me just put the values quickly into the substitution and let's move. Okay. What's the question? Length of the wire is given 3 meter. Resistance is given 60 ohm. And yeah, area of cross section 4 into 10 power 7 meter square. Okay. What we have to calculate? Electrical resistivity. Yes. Yes. Okay. Resistivity. From the formula of resistance, R is equal to rho L by A. So resistivity is equal to RA by L. What is R? 60. A 4 into 10 power 7. L 3. 3 2s are, so 20. 4 2s are 8. 10 power minus 7 plus 1. 10 power minus 6. And what is the SI unit? Yes, what is the SI unit of resistivity? That is asked in the next point, I think. Yeah. That's somewhere else. But what is the SI unit of resistivity? Anybody in the chat quickly can tell me the answer? Okay. So next question. State how would electrical resistivity be affected if the length of the wire is doubled. If it is doubled, tripled or anything, resistivity will not change because it is independent of the length and area, but it is exactly ohm meter. Right? Ohm meter. In some other question paper, I think it was asked to derive the SI unit of resistivity. So I asked you guys, okay? Is that clear to everyone? Because in a question paper, there was to derive the SI unit of resistivity. I hope that's clear to everyone. Okay, ohm meter. And see here, resistivity is independent of length and area. Resistivity only depends upon the temperature and physical conditions, right? And nature of material. So no change here, no change. The part 3, third section of the answer is no change. Okay, next we have chemistry, right?
Yes. Students, next is case-based study question. Let's start with 37. The metals produced by various reduction process are not very pure. They contain impurities which must be removed. Obtain pure metals. The most widely used method for refining impure metals is electrolytic refining. We already know, right? Yes. What is the cathode and anode made of in the refining of copper by this process? I already explained in yesterday evening 3 to 4 times, right, students? It is very important. It is very important. Very easy. Impure metal, pure metal. That's all. In anode, impure metal. In cathode, pure metal. That's all. Second question. Name the solution used in copper sulfate solution. Right? Acidified copper sulfate solution. Third one. How copper gets refined when electric current is passed in the electrolytic cell. Very simple. Reduction, oxidation. Ma'am will explain that. Pure CU, correct.
Yeah, so how is that going to happen? Huh? Okay, thank you. Do I need to explain this? That's enough, I guess. Oxidation and reduction. Why? Why? Chhod do, ye sab chhod do. Just focus on SST now. Alright, so in electrolytic refining, cathode and anode is going to be there. So at anode, we'll have the impure copper. Okay, impure copper rod will be there. And in the cathode, we'll have pure copper. Pure copper. So we have an electrolyte here, acidified copper sulfate solution, which means that there will be ions here, SO4 2 minus ions and Cu2 plus ions. So this is responsible for conduction of electricity. So from impure rod, copper 2 plus ions are going to come into the electrolyte, and the ions that are already in the electrolyte are going to go on the cathode and get reduced. That's it. Okay. White dress wali ma'am मैं हूँ. Yeah. So this is set number 1, 3111. Okay. Yes, we'll say sorry to sir. Suhas sir, we are very sorry from Ratna, sorry, Krishu's side. Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, sir's health is not good. Basavaraj sir actually was feeling very he was not well.
You can ask him only, no? In the
Yeah,
next session.
yeah, he had fever, so yes. दिख नहीं रहा है, क्या दिख नहीं रहा है भाई? हाँ, this one. Yeah, or so there is another question. You have 2 beakers A and B containing copper sulfate solution. What would you observe after 2 hours if you dip strip of zinc in beaker A and strip of silver in beaker B? Give reasons for your observations in each case. So displacement reaction is going to happen in the first beaker, and there is no displacement reaction that's going to happen in second beaker. Okay, so in beaker A, this is beaker A. Okay, this is beaker B. Both of them contain copper sulfate solution. Is that copper sulfate? Yeah, it is copper sulfate. So which is blue in color. Blue in color. Okay, initially both will be blue in color. When you add zinc to this, so zinc sulfate is going to happen, as zinc is more reactive than copper. So zinc is going to displace copper, and zinc sulfate is white in color. The blue color fades away, but silver is less reactive than copper, so there is no reaction. Okay, it is going to be blue itself. He should take some rest. Yeah, he is taking rest. You know, don't worry. Okay, he'll take rest.
In the live session.
Yeah. Set 2 is not completed. Set 2 is not completed. Thank you, sir. Ma'am, if I will call you Ankit, you will feel bad, na? No, not really. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, people get confused. Ankita and Ankit. Yeah. But I was just, kidding you, okay? मैं छेड़ रही थी आपको. Next, Mendel worked. Yeah, ma'am, please do the honors.
Okay.
Okay.
Mendel worked out the rules of heredity by working on garden P using number of visible contrasting characters. Right. He conducted several experiments by making a cross with 1 or 2 pairs of contrasting characters of pea plant. Esther also explained monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross even today in the morning session, right? Okay. So on the basis of his observation, he gave some interpretation which helped to study the mechanism of inheritance. Okay. When Mendel crossed pea plant with pure tall and pure short characteristic to produce F1 progeny, which 2 observations were made by him in F1 plant. What was the 2 observations that he made in F1 plant, students? See, in the F1 generation, all were tall, right? And it had heterozygous, right? It was heterozygous, and it had heterozygous genes. Right, one was capital T and the other one was small t. And which law did it support? Is it law of segregation or law of independent assortment? Huh, ma'am? White dress, ma'am. You can stand here and guess the answers. No, students, ma'am. Okay. And then write one difference between dominant and recessive trait.
White sheep.
White sheep.
They're calling me sheep now.
See? White.
I'm gonna go home and cry about this today. You called me sheep.
So Krishu, now can you tell the difference between dominant and recessive trait? Come on, comment in the comment section.
Yeah, sheep wants to know the answer. Please
I
help
want
me.
the answer now. If you answer, then ma'am will teach. She will draw the cross. Ma'am, you can draw, right? That yeah. So if you answer, Krishu, the difference between dominant and recessive trait, then ma'am will do this crossing. Dominant is something when it efficiently overrules the other. Fine. Recessive. What is Krishi doing now? He became okay. Yes. He was typing.
Okay, we'll do the honest now.
Yes.
Let's see.
Mention observed 4 types of combination in F2 generation. By which method did he obtain? Okay, write the ratio of the parental combination obtained and what conclusion were drawn from this experiment. And this experiment, it supported which law? It is law of independent assortment.
This is what we are supposed to do. It is right.
Yes. No. You will have to. ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಅದೇ RRO. It's like a singing song.
What is this? The same thing.
No, wait.
Huh.
And then
Capital R, small r.
here small r, here it is capital Y. Here is the same thing. It should be
Okay.
Yeah.
So 2 alleles will be there.
yeah. This is small r, small y. Okay. The same thing will repeat here.
Cool. We'll try now. Law of segregation also. My beautiful ma'am come.
Okay.
Okay, we are happy that you are happy, Simran. R, Y, Y. So all of them are dominant. R, Y, Y. R, Y, Y. Dominant again. R, Y, Y. Again, dominant. I'll write here. So tall and round.
It is round and yellow.
Round and yellow. Okay. So yes, round and yellow. Next R, Y, Y. R. Okay. So this was your plan. Ma'am's plan was to sit and make me do.
You got to.
Yeah.
I do such things.
What directly proportional to Suhas sir? Ratna say that Ratna is directly proportional to Suhas sir. Will get happy. Try please. Okay. I'm not good at English. Sorry. R, Y, Y. Next R, Y, Y. Next R. I actually used to like this very much.
Yeah, this is good. I used to
Yeah.
also like this.
That is nice. But look at the board.
No. In the
But TT
exam,
is nice.
Yeah.
TT is nice. Enough.
no,
TT is
in the exam we'll get more marks also. It's not
Yeah,
difficult
yeah,
also.
Yeah.
I used to like this.
in my grade.
Wait.
I skipped
Please do not distract me. R, Y, Y. R, small, big Y, small y. Next R, Y, small y. R, small y, small y. This is round and green, and then we have RR, YY, YY,
Students, you have
RRYY. Yeah, done.
So how is everyone doing? Did all oh ma'am, you mental cross also done?
Nah.
Oh my god. So sorry students, I was busy with some other class. So how was the session? Tell me fast, quickly, everyone in the chat. How was session? Did you write, all of you? How are the percentage you can obtain? Yes. Thank you. Yes, the ratio will be 9:3:1 for your phenotypic ratio. Genotypic ratio, they will not ask you in your class 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. They will never ask you. Okay? Right? How was the session? How was the session? Did everyone enjoy it? Were they?
Yes.
Ma'am, I saw you were doing the more.
Yeah, because I asked him if he answers correctly, then I told Ankita ma'am will draw the table because I didn't want to draw the table.
She tricked me into doing this.
That is amazing. That is amazing. So 75 plus, 90 plus. That's amazing. Sairam 95 plus. Amazing. Who was her? who is this Ratna? Ratna is Krishna. I know. So I was taking a class on NEET English that prolonged a little bit of time, and hence it came late here. So they were. How did they write the paper? Amazing.
Done it. But
Amazing.
they're asking us to solve
Other sets. So students, we will be doing the other sets in the consecutive days. Whatever set we could obtain, we have done it. And students, if you want us to do it, let us know in the comment section. If you want us to do other sets, we'll also be doing that. Okay? Let us know in the comment section. They want us to. Okay, then let us know in the comment section. We'll be doing the other sets as well. So, but we need the paper, question paper.
Yeah, we have the paper. We got our hands on all the papers.
Amazing, Krishu. White dress ma'am, yes. White dress ma'am is cute, yes. So, last question is left, is it? So, ma'am, do it.
Okay. Yes, let me solve this quickly. Again, a numerical problem. Okay, let me solve this very quickly. So let me read out. The data is given: mirror, focal length, and object. Okay. Okay. So yes, we have the object distance, we have the focal length, and the mirrors are given. Just let me answer to your questions quickly. In which of the above case the mirror will form diminished image? Yes. In which of the mirror we'll see the diminished image? So what's the catch here? Right? What's the important thing we have to know here? See the focal length, right? Focal length. If object is placed beyond the 2f, double the focal length.
Not.
Okay. So if object is kept beyond 2f, then only we'll get the diminished image. Yes. We'll get diminished image only if the object is beyond 2f, and that is possible only in the first condition. So mirror A gives the diminished image. Moving forward, list the two properties of image formed in case 2. In case 2, you can see f is equals to 15, 2f is equals to 30. That is nothing but 2f. When object is kept at 2f, same size, same magnification, same distance, image is formed. Right? So third question, what is the nature and image of the size of the image in C? Right? In C it is between f and 2f. Hence it will be, right? It will be a real image. What is the nature of C? Yes, it is between f and 2f. So we'll be getting the real image over here. When object is placed, okay, again I have to solve this. Yes. Okay, so what's given? Object distance minus 18 centimeter. Focal length of concave mirror minus 12 centimeters. Right? Yeah, so what's the? Yes. Mirror. Yeah. I'm solving this. You can check with this, right? Oh, here there is no space to solve further. But it will be the denominator 36 minus 3. If this goes here, plus minus 3. Yes, minus 3 plus 2. So V is equals to 36 centimeter. This is the distance. That is minus 36. Okay. Yes. Yes, we are done with all the questions.
Yeah, so we're done.
So it's done, guys. Everything is done in your first paper 3111. Okay, so we'll discuss other papers in upcoming days, and we will be giving you a very good plan for social science. Except Suha sir, all of us will be taking social science. Suha sir is going to take maths right after social science. Okay, it was Sanjay, it was 3111, set number 1. Okay, you want to see handsome face of sir. So which sir? Suhas sir. If it is Suhas sir, he is right here. Okay, we can show you the handsome face of Suhas sir. Come sir, please. Yeah, everybody please join. Yeah. Baswaraj sir has already left because he is not feeling okay and he needs to take rest. Okay. Yeah. Even we are feeling yeah, same thing. Ditto. Yeah, same pinch. All right. So this was about set number 1. We'll discuss set number 2, 3, 4 in upcoming days if time permits us. But we cannot be focusing on the these papers which is already completed. So we'll be doing social science. Okay. Baswaraj sir is here. Okay. Yes, Suhas sir is very beautiful. We know that.
Suhas sir is handsome. So, students, what are you saying? I sorry I interrupted all of you.
No. We were just saying that rather focusing on the completed papers, we should focus more on social science and maths paper.
So there is going to be a surprise for social. That is, for the next 4 days, we have an amazing plan for social. That is, all 4 of us, except Swaz sir, all 4 of us will be teaching you social. That is, geography will be taken up by both of us. We'll be taking geography. Then Ankita will be taking political science.
Constitution.
Then Neha ma'am will be taking
History.
So that is going to be the complete package for your social. So students, don't go anywhere. We are here. We'll make sure your social is also completed. Even though social is not our major, because all of us are from science background. All of us are from science background, pure sciences. Even with that pure sciences, we will be doing the social. We'll be showing the same energy in social. We'll make sure the entire social is completed. So do not worry. Social is taken care of. Okay.
कितने अच्छे टीचर है
Who's ma'am?
बातचीत करते हैं.
Whose name are you looking for?
My name, I guess. Ankita. My name is Ankita.
Ankita. So we'll be having week quiz also every single day. For every single day is week quiz. Every single day week quiz. Okay, don't worry.
Invite Suhas sir to answer social science answer
Yes.
questions.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll make sure we add difficult questions. So can we stop, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay then. Take care. Bye bye.
So it is not Subhas. It is
Bye bye.
Subhas.
They say bye bye.
Okay.